Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel. So today we learn how to roll mehendi cones, and yes, it is easy. So all you need is a cellophane sheet and cut it into a rectangular shape. And since I wanted to show you all clearly how to exactly roll the cones, so today I'll be using a butter paper instead of a cellophane sheet, and a sellotape and a scissors. So पहले बटर पेपर को just hold it firmly and किसी भी edge में, not in the middle, but since I use long cones, so I'll hold it here firmly, and with the help of a thumb just इसे press कीजिए and just flip, and just ये thumb से just hold it and ऐसे ही roll करते जाना है. ये thumb को इधर just roll the cone. बस ये ध्यान में रखना है कि ये जो टिप है वो लूज ना हो. Here you go. और ये जो सेलो टेप है वो यहाँ पे लगा देंगे. कोन को टाइट रखने के लिए एक सेलो टेप यहाँ पे भी लगा देंगे. And here you go. The cone is ready. Wasn't that so easy? Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys will try this out and you all liked my video. If you have any questions regarding this video, please leave us a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe and share our videos. Meanwhile, more videos are on its way. Bye bye.